yeah. No quiere de Hennessy, quiere de Dios, yeah. My papi con Eddie, hasi bocos, yeah. Money talks, no stop coming, sac con it, hey. Baile, landi, no pa' trust me, think on this, hey. Bonnie, English, ese ta a mi con it, eta real, kumi, vita, real con it, hey. Mama.
An ace on the second draw depends upon whether or not we got an ace on the first draw. So these are not independent. But if two things are independent, then we can go ahead and use that multiplication idea. So for example, in your drawer you have 10 pairs of socks, 6 of which are white, and 7 t-shirts, 3 of which are white. If you randomly reach in and pull out a pair of socks and a t-shirt, what's the probability both are white? Well, the probability of white socks is, let's say there's 6 white out of 10 pairs, right? The probability of a white tee is